Hi guys, I'm Dragan for Oscar 4 Alpha, and for today I will show you how to set up NaP3 software, Panadapter software for Elecraft K3. NaP3 is designed by Pete Florida 5 Victor November Bravo. Excellent piece of software which utilize Power SDR engine, and which will give you possibility to see what's going on a band over up to 192 kilohertz. As you can see on 40 meters, this is CW portion of the band, and here is 7074 where you can see FT8 activity and some more activity. I will focus on CW for the time being. So let's start with all software and hardware you need for NaP3. First you will need to connect your Elecraft K3 to different software. For that purpose we will use LP Bridge software created by Larry Phipps. I will provide the links in the description of this video. LP Bridge software connects to physical port of your Elecraft K3, and I created a series of virtual ports which I am using for different applications I'm using on daily basis. You see WH-ATX, Logger32, my favorite logger program, CW engine, CW machine from Logger32, NaP3 itself, and N1MM plus logging software program. As you can see, current frequency on K3 as I am rotating VFO knob, frequency changes, so LP Bridge correctly follows any change on Elecraft. Next software that you will need is SDR control. You have to find a software which will control your SDR receiver. Besides K3, you need some kind of SDR receiver capable of transmitting IQ audio channels to software which will later be transferred to NaP software. I'm using SDRPlay and the RSP1 receiver. SDRPlay, I will not go through setting of the software, only brief information. SDRPlay is set up to show frequency of 8 megahertz and 250 kilohertz, which is the IF frequency of Elecraft K3, and it is connected to IF output by RF cable to SDR receiver RS1P. SDRPlay connects to RS1P and it records frequency. It records IQ signal to virtual audio cable named line 1, which is created by next software that we have to use in all this line. That is virtual audio cable created by Eugene on the website muzichenko.net. You can see there is in 2026 the latest version is 470. It is a trial software. You can use it for 30 minutes and then you have to restart driver to avoid audible notification that the trial period expired. Once you set up your SDRPlay software, your SDR software to communicate with your SDR receiver, you have to send IQ data from SDR receiver, SDR software, to line 1 of the virtual audio cable. It is important to take care about sample rate here and to match bit per second settings. So when your SDRPlay software is started, it is sending data to NaP software, and this what you heard is actually NSP and NaP3. To set it up, you need to match input device line 1 of your virtual audio cable, line 1, and to match bitrate and sample rate. Sample rate is, as you can see, 192 kilohertz, and it will give you with bandwidth of 192 kilohertz on your spectroscope. For rig control, you have to choose Elecraft K3. Some other radios are supported as well, and to use information from LP Bridge software. As you can see, I'm using port 7 and baud rate 38,400. Here is port 7 in my software. So when you start it, you will actually see what's going on the band. If I click, frequency now is 7015, and it match VFOA of 7015. If I click on a signal, it will change frequency to 7013, as you can see, and you will see that in Elecraft it is 7013.390, 7013.390. So the main software here is virtual audio cable, which is sending data from SDR receiver to NaP3 audio pan. As I said, you can purchase it through virtual audio cable vac.muzhchenko.net software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy in your visual aspect of amateur radio and amateur radio spectre. Thank you very much. This is 4 Oscar 4 Alpha.